Hello, this is meteorologist Todd Shea with the La Crosse National Weather Service with a quick video talking about the severe weather potential for Saturday night, August 22nd. Those possible hazards include strong to damaging wind from approaching thunderstorms, along with a little bit of heavy rain and some frequent lightning. The big question mark on Saturday night will be how strong storms will be as they move into the area. This graphic kind of shows how much instability will be available in the atmosphere, and this instability is the fuel for thunderstorms. And as you can see, most of this unstable air is going to be more across central and western Minnesota and Iowa, and it's far weaker to the east as you approach Wisconsin. This will have a factor in how the thunderstorms behave as they approach the area on Saturday. Looking at some predicted radar imagery, Saturday evening, again, storms could be strong to severe west of the area by early evening. There could even be a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for parts of Minnesota and Iowa as the storms approach. But as we go into the evening, as you can see by these projections, those strong to severe storms as they approach the Interstate 35 corridor will begin to weaken a little bit, and as you head towards the overnight hours, they are expected to weaken even more so. In fact, as we go into the late evening and into the overnight, the question will exist whether there'll be any severe weather threat at all. The Storm Prediction Center's outlook for Saturday and Saturday night does include a level 2 or level 3 out of 5 severe weather risk. And again, that risk is higher to the west of Interstate 35. The overall threat for severe weather does drop off to the east. So when we talk about the risk level of the different severe weather hazards tomorrow, the main concern, and again, it's not overly high at this point, will be how much strong to damaging winds there will be as storms approach from the west. Main concern is if you do have outdoor plans, including camping on Saturday night as this summer season begins to come to an end, we urge you to keep a check on the weather, have a shelter option in place in case stronger storms move in, and use things like weather apps on your phone or a NOAA weather radio to be alerted. Again, in summary, the possible risks that could develop would be strong to damaging wind as storms move in from about mid-evening to the overnight hours. Again, the higher severe weather threat is going to be west of the area, but storms will likely weaken as they move east. There could be a watch in effect tomorrow evening for parts of Minnesota and Iowa, and there could even be a few warnings. Can we urge you to check our webpage and keep a little closer tabs on the weather as we move through Saturday. We'll try to keep you updated on how far east that severe weather risk will get.